2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.